Hello, I'm Ekta, and welcome to the latest IT Voice Quick Bytes episode. In today's episode, we have the privilege of speaking with the founder of Softworld India Private Limited, Mr. M.L. Gupta. Softworld India Private Limited has established itself as a leading solution provider in the retail and distribution business. They specialize in delivering software solutions for healthcare and retail segments. The company is dedicated to offering top-notch software services to its clients, aiming to simplify their business processes and enhance operational efficiency. Now, let's head to our conversation with Mr. M.L. Gupta.
Namaskar audience, this is Avni from IT Voice Media. Today we have Mr. M.L. Gupta with us, who is the founder and managing director of Softworld India Private Limited. So let us learn about the company from him.
So, Softworld India Private Limited, as we call it SWIL also as acronym, it was founded in 1994 after completing my MCA. When I started, there was a small market for software products in India and almost nil in Jaipur. It was new in the market. It was like a software market creation actually. We used to go to people, tell them that what is meant by software, why do you need software, and we started with all this. And when we were trying to find out for whom we can develop products, so retail was a big business at that time also, retail and distribution. And out of this retail and distribution products, healthcare business was very organized. Like there were other businesses like grocery, garments, which were also big business, but they were not as organized as healthcare business. Because medicines are always like organized by batch, expiry, and everybody needs to keep records. So people were in dire need of solution at that time, and we developed the solution for them. So we started with distribution, then we worked with retail also, and then we started expanding into other segments like garments, electronics, grocery, department stores, and many more.
Can you tell the audience about who were your mentors and what inspired you to start a company into the software?
During studies, I have completed my MCA in 92. That was first batch in Rajasthan for Master of Computer Applications. And I loved coding. So it was the simplest idea that let's write me a software product for people. I had got some relatives in pharmaceutical distribution business. They asked me that can we provide a solution for them. It was Alok Medical Agency, Sri Sonlal Ji Tambi, with whom I started working for this product. During my studies only, we had implemented the solution at 3 clients. And after that, when we started the company in 94, then we started providing solution to the wholesale market in Jaipur, that is in Film Colony. And every month or every week actually, we were signing up new client at that time. Because people were so enthusiastic about the solution. Earlier, people were skeptical that it will not work. But when it started working, it was selling like hotcake that time.
As a pioneer in software solutions of healthcare and retail, what are some of the key achievements and milestones that SWIL has accomplished over the years?
It is a long journey. It's almost 30 years. So initial milestones were like 1,000 clients working outside Jaipur, having partner network, which is the actually biggest milestone for SWIL is having a partner network. There were few companies in India at that time who were in software actually, who are using partners for selling their products. We are one of the first few companies who developed a partner network in many states of India, and we are still working with them. Having a stable, robust partner network has been the biggest milestone.
What steps have been taken to stay updated with industry trends and technological advancement?
To stay updated with the industry, actually there has been a lot of change in retail and distribution. If we talk before 30 years, there were standalone shops. Now we have chain of retail stores. But I was lucky to have many visits outside India as well, and I could actually foresee the changes coming into retail and distribution business because it was already there. When we go to USA or Europe, we see there are many companies who are having retail chains at that time. There were branded stores and all this. So in India also, this change was about to come, and we started working for it. Then there was internet, which changed everything actually, because with internet you could connect your different offices, different shops, and in pharmaceutical distribution, everything was connected over net. So the working was changed.
Can you tell our audiences with some examples of the software solutions or products that SWIL has developed especially for the healthcare and retail sectors?
For healthcare and retail, there are many unique issues. Like government tries to track particular diseases like TB, cancer drugs, or even at time of COVID. So at that time, we provided many solutions which could provide proper report to government regarding stocks and even patient data when it is required. Then like government came up with the solutions for generic drugs. Like in Kolkata, they started many shops which were selling cheap medicine, generic drugs to patients, and we provided a solution for almost all hospitals in Kolkata for this purpose.
In the healthcare and retail industries, data security and privacy are the utmost importance. So, how does SWIL address and prioritize these concerns in the software solutions?
Data security and privacy is important in almost all fields, all businesses where software is being used. In healthcare, it becomes more difficult because of government laws. You cannot share patient data or a patient's disease to any third party. So we are very strict regarding integration with third parties. We do not share any patient data, and we always protect our client data and always ask our clients also to be discreet while sharing information with third parties.
Can you share any success stories or case studies where SWIL's software services have had a huge impact on a client's business operations and outcomes?
Actually, as I told you that we were pioneers in this business, so there are thousands of distributors or retailers where we have been instrumental in their business growth. To select a few, I would quote like Sasta Sundar. It's a very big business in Kolkata for retail. It has been like its retail website has been taken over by Flipkart now, but still the retail supply is done by Sasta Sundar Health Buddy only. And the whole business, which is being run in Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, and everywhere else, with more than I think 200 users, is being run through our solution. We have another like simple example can be a client where I visited just day before yesterday. That is Varaya Medical Gwalior. It was again a single retail shop. Now they are having a retail chain in Gwalior and expanding to Indore as well.
Can you tell us about the biggest challenges that SWIL has faced in its journey?
The biggest challenge for SWIL has been our own legacy products. We introduced products in 94 with X-based technology. Now we are having new products which are on .NET, SQL Server, and cloud-based, mobile integrated. Everything is there. But still, we have thousands of clients who are still using our legacy products, and we try to convince them, try to provide them better features, demonstrate them new product strength, so that they can come to new products. And other than that, like in government policies like GST was a big challenge in 2017 because the government could not decide the framework at one go. So there were changes coming almost every day, and the clients were facing a lot of issues at that time. So those 6 months were really troublesome for us and almost any other software company.
Can you tell us about your vision for the future of SWIL?
SWIL continues to provide solutions for retail and distribution space. We are already providing solutions almost all over India and in some countries outside India as well. But we want to expand more into international business. My both sons have joined SWIL after completing their undergrad and from Penn State, USA. So now we are very hopeful, and we are providing cloud-based solutions, mobile-based applications, and many integrations with third parties so that our clients are abreast with best technologies, latest improvements in the business, and they can go as far as they want to. So not only in pharmaceutical or healthcare, we are providing solutions for all other businesses also, like garments, electronics, grocery, department stores, and everything else. We have packaged goods are being sold or distributed.
How does SWIL maintain a work culture that encourages collaboration, creativity, and continuous improvement among its employees?
As I told you, like in such a long journey, client satisfaction has been the key ingredient of SWIL, and that has been achieved only because of employee satisfaction. Because only a satisfied employee can convert a dissatisfied customer into a satisfied customer. So for that, we have internal training programs. We provide them internal career growth, and we are proud to say that we have senior employees who have been with us for more than 20 years, which is very uncommon in IT industry.
How does SWIL contribute to the local community in Jaipur, Rajasthan and beyond? Are there any corporate social responsibility initiatives that the company is involved in?
So mantra for life is work is worship. When I completed my MCA, the easiest option was to go out of India or to run a company which can provide services to outside India, and we could have earned much more than with this route. But our idea was to make our own society, our own country, and our own business people more efficient, and we know that IT creates efficiency. So to create that efficiency, we did all that exercise here only. We provided solutions to domestic market. We opted for a tough route so that we can do better for society. And other than that, like personally, I have been involved in social projects as well. Like for last 20 years, I take care of a home for destitute girls that is called Sila Balbhan, and that is run by Cane Care Trust. I have been a managing trustee for that trust for so many years. I am General Secretary for a college for girls that is called KVGIT. It is at Vaishali Nagar and run by Sri Khandelwal Waste Educational Trust. And I have been involved in many other social initiatives also. That's wonderful part of life.
That is great, sir. We are really moved by your inspiration. Can you tell us why have you chosen Rajasthan as a state for your business, and can you highlight its pros and cons?
First and foremost reason is that my family is here. My parents live just 190 kilometers from Jaipur, and this way I have been able to contribute to my state, my place in a much more meaningful manner, because we have been able to create employment, we have been able to create efficiency in this area to businesses in Jaipur and Rajasthan, and more than that, we have created Jaipur as a destination for IT products also, like software products. Earlier when we started, nobody used to think that Jaipur can be a source for software. When I went to sell in Bangalore or Delhi, people used to ask me, why from Jaipur? If you want any software, we can buy from here. And that time we could tell them that we are experts in our domain and we can provide you better solution than anybody in Bangalore or Jaipur. That was great.
What are your views on Hindi domains? Have you bought .bharat domain? Have you heard of it?
I heard of it, but I have not bought .bharat domain yet. Yeah, but I agree that Hindi is very important, and if we really want internet to be in every home and with every person of India, other than videos, then we must have Hindi available as basic medium of communication on net.
As a seasoned and pioneer leader in the IT industry, what advice would you give to these startups or young professionals that are starting their journey in this sector?
In that area, I would say that I belong to old school yet. I would suggest the businesses should run on profitability, sustainability, and the goal should be to do better for society, employees, clients, and all stakeholders.
Thank you so much for your precious time. Your inspiration surely have moved me and multiple other audiences. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ani.
Follow IT Voice for more exciting bites and latest happenings of the tech world.